Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. We've had a very warm start to 2017, particularly through inland parts of Queensland, New South Wales and South Australia, and the heat's going to continue this week and extend southwards towards Victoria as well. And to understand why the heat has been so prolonged, we actually need to look to the middle levels of the atmosphere. So like we have highs and lows at the surface, we also have those in the middle levels of the atmosphere. And we've had a high, it's been sitting across southern Queensland and northern New South Wales for weeks now, and it's been preventing any frontal systems coming through and flushing out all of that really hot air. So we've ended up seeing pools of hot air, just like we've got here today over South Australia and affecting the states surrounding. And that means we've had temperatures for weeks now where we've had over 40 degrees in many locations, and we do expect to see that to continue throughout today and also through Thursday. The heat will start to move a little bit further towards the south with those northerly winds. We're looking at very high temperatures, including for Adelaide on Thursday. There is a very shallow trough that's we can just see it there along the coastal region. That'll bring some relief to the south on Thursday, but it is very shallow. So on Friday, we still expect to continue to see this pool of hot air starting to extend towards the coastal areas of New South Wales. So some very hot temperatures expected through Friday for the western suburbs of Sydney. And that continues again through Saturday. We can see just this relentless pool of temperatures well above 40 degrees. And in fact, across the weekend, Saturday and Sunday for these inland parts and also for the coastal regions or the just western suburbs of Sydney, we actually could see our hottest temperatures yet this summer. So we'll be continuing to watch. We do have a slightly stronger front which will move up, start to bring some relief to the southern parts of the country through Sunday. Continue to move towards the north, really just returning temperatures to closer to normal in the early parts of next week. So we are looking at some very hot temperatures continuing. Let's take a look at some of those locations that are going to experience hot temperatures for the remainder of this week. In South Australia, Moomba, mid-40s right through until Monday, and the overnight temperatures struggling to drop below 30 degrees. In Adelaide, very hot again Thursday through to Sunday, and then the cold change moves through, so we'll see some relief from Sunday into Monday. In Victoria, hot temperatures in the north until Sunday when that stronger change moves through. In New South Wales, through Penrith in the western suburbs of Sydney, temperatures expecting to reach the mid-40s across the weekend, and in inland parts of New South Wales, Bourke, up to 47 degrees on Sunday. And the hot temperatures continue for Birdsville. It recorded its highest February daytime temperature on record just last week, and it could reach that 46.2 degrees again on Sunday. And on top of these high daytime and nighttime temperatures, many locations are also experiencing high humidity, which adds to the heat stress on the body. So the state health departments have a wealth of information on how to prepare and look after yourself during heat waves. You can get updated forecasts or heatwave forecasts on the Bureau's website, forecast for your location on the Bomb Weather app, and you can also follow us on Twitter.